guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be unboxing the Apple Watch Series 1 Silver 38mm, and I figured out how to hold the camera up, or something to hold the camera up, and I have to kind of look at the screen backwards, so I might move the box around in awkward ways because I'm reading Apple Watch upside down right now. So anyway, you just pull this thing out right here. Designed by Apple in California. Lift this up, and there's the Apple Watch in there. It used to be my mom's until she got her SE, and so I'm unboxing it for the channel. Oops, like that. Here we go. You get this inside the Designed by Apple in California thing. Open it like this and this, and then here's the large band, and then there's where your charger goes. Of course it's not in there. If I can get it back in, sorry. There we go, there's that. And here's the watch itself. Let's see if we can get it powered on. Nope. It needs charged, but yeah, that's the Apple Watch Series 1 unboxing. And it actually doesn't look too different from today's Apple Watches, except for the screens are more rounded, except for, like, other than squared, they're more rounded. So yeah, that's my unboxing for the Apple Watch Series 1. Hope you enjoyed.